guys, welcome to our channel Finally Tech, and today we are going to see some functions of the Excel. So let me ask you that you must be knowing about the function left function, right function in the Excel like this, but did you know the cell function in Excel? So yes, so cell is also a function. You are working in Excel, so this every box is a cell, right? In Excel every box is a cell, but this also name as a function in the Excel, right? So so we'll going to see today that only function in the Excel. So this is a cell function in Excel. What cell function can do in Excel, we'll see today. And so please watch till the end, so you will get some good information about cell function in Excel. Okay, so let's start. So these all are cell, right? These all are cell, right? Every boxes are cell in Excel. So if we write something here, okay, so if we write 45 here, right? So in programming or in Excel, so whatever you write, there is a type of this item. Anything you write, there is a type of it. And so how will I get the type of what is type? Is it might be integer, it might be a text, right? It might be character. Yeah, so this is how we define the type. So if we want to see the type of this function, then we'll write equal cell. See, cell is also a function. So what cells do? So it returns information about formatting, locations, or contents of the first cell according to sheets reading order in a reference. So what does it do? Returns information about the formatting, location, which location this this thing is written, or contents of the first cell. So what is the content of the first? We will see all these things later on. So these all things cell function can return. Okay, so we'll press tab. Okay, so if we want to see type, okay, so this is the type, and info type and reference would be the cell reference. Okay, and then enter. So type is V. Okay, so V is what? V V is equal to value, right? So V is the value of the cell, right? So first thing you see, what is this? Is equal cell, and press tab. When you press tab, all the formula, all the functions inside this cell will be visible, right? So type type again tab, and then reference would be the cell reference, right? And this is V. So if it is V, then understand this is value, right? So we can put another formula, right? So if cells type or cell reference is equal to V, right? Then what to multiply this into 5, right? Otherwise press 0. Okay, so this is how. So what did I write? Learn this formula, right? If cell type A3, which means what? The type of the cell, if it is V, if it is value, if it is integer, then what do? A3 into 5, then multiply 5 with that cell value. If it is not a value, then do nothing and put 0, right? So if we change it manually, so if we put it ABCD, then it will be 0, and if we put here some value like 22, then it will multiply by 5. So this is the formula of cell, right? We can see another thing is also in cells. Suppose we write cell, and then press tab, then address. Okay, so let's see the address. Don't enter. If we enter, then this error will pop up, right? So this is why it is advised not to press enter, always press tab in the formula, right? So press cell and cell tab and address, again tab, again tab. When you press again tab, this comes automatic in the inverted comma, right? So now the reference would be A3. Okay, press A3 and parenthesis close and then enter. So this the reference, the address of this cell is A3, right? So it is A3, and why it is dollar? Because it is logged, right? So it is always show in a logged format, right? You can do also log format by pressing the F4 key, but when you ask from the system that please tell me the address of this cell, then it will show the logged format A3, right? So this is how we can get address of this address of this cell. So it is what? Address. Okay, this is, if we want to get the type, then cell and press here type and then cell reference, very easy, and this is type. Okay, what else you can do in cells? Cell, so all the formula under this is written here, right? You can get all the things here. Column, if you want to get the column, then get the column. Reference is always A3 is 1, column 1. This is column 1, A, under A column, so it is showing 1, so it becomes column. Okay, now what you can do, you can get the content also, right? Although you are seeing the content, but from the formula, if someone asks you that show me the content by the formula, right? And suppose there are multiple things written in this and something is not visible, right? So if you want to get the content of that cell, then you can get it. Cell and come here and press content and reference. So reference and here 22. So if we write something, a lot of text in this, if suppose if you write something text, okay, text, okay, again write some text here. Okay, so this text is, there are a lot of text written here, but all are not visible. Now you want to get all the text, so get it cell and contents and reference, and this is how, right? So you can get the content as well. So this is how you can use the cell formula, cell function in Excel, and there are a lot of things you can do. A lot of things means all the formula, all the functions, I mean all the formula under these functions you can get it, right? Type, you can get row as well. So if you want to get the row, then just do reference and close the parenthesis, you can get the row. So A3 is the row, so A3 is the row, 3 is the row. In fact, A is the column and 3 is the row, so A3 become the address, right? So this is how the cell functions work. So cell function, you can use it like this. You can get the form, you can apply this cell function in the formula like this. You have applied it, right? If you want to if you are not able to visualize this, then I will I will enlarge it. So now you can see that this is formula, and if you want to see the formula here in the cell only, then F2, and this is the formula. If cell type A3 is equal to value, then A3 multiplied by 5, otherwise show 0. So here A3 is value, that 22, so it is multiplied 22 into 5 and showing you 110. So this is how cell function works. So today I will pause this video only here today, and let's see you have any comment, let's see you have any question, and if you have any question, then please put your question in the comment. I will try to resolve your question in the next video. So let's see how it works. Okay, So thank you so much for watching this, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it, and I will keep posting some good programming questions, some good Excel question as well in future. And I am also going to start some SQL tutorial in the next coming days. So please be tuned with us, and grow your knowledge and share your knowledge also. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.